Hello and welcome to my channel where I help beginners start their own business and make money online. In today's video we will discuss how to start dropshipping with no money. Dropshipping is a popular business model that allows you to sell product without holding inventory. This means you can run your business from anywhere in the world without any upfront cost. Let's dive into the details of how you can start your own dropshipping business without spending any money. Step number 1. Choose your niche. The first step to starting a successful dropshipping business is to choose your niche. Your niche should be something you are passionate about and have knowledge of. This will make it easy for you to market your product and build a brand around your niche. When you are choosing your niche, there are a few things to keep in mind. Look for a niche that has a lot of demand but not too much competition. This will make it easy for you to stand out and attract customers. Choose a niche that you are interested in and knowledgeable about. This will make it easy for you to create content and engage with your audience. Research your niche thoroughly to make sure there's enough demand for the product you want to sell. Once you have chosen your niche, it's time to move on to the next step. Step number 2. Find a supplier. The next step is to find a supplier for your product. There are many dropshipping suppliers out there, but based on our recent research and feedback from other successful dropshippers, we highly recommend the following. AliExpress. This is a reliable marketplace with a wide variety of products available. You can find products at very low prices, which can make it easy to sell them at a profit. Overall, this is a popular app that integrates with Shopify to help you find product to sell. It allows you to easily import product from AliExpress and other suppliers, and it offers various tools to help you manage your orders and track your shipments. Printful. If you are interested in selling custom products like t-shirts, mugs or phone cases, Printful is a great option. They handle the printing and shipping for you, so you don't have to worry about any of the logistics, and they offer a wide range of products and customization options. These are just a few examples of dropshipping suppliers that we recommend. However, it's important to do your own research and find the suppliers that work best for your business. Look for suppliers with high ratings and positive reviews, and be sure to ask any questions you have before making a commitment. With the right supplier, you can ensure that your customers receive high-quality product and great service, which can help you grow your business and increase your profits. When you are looking for a supplier, there are a few things to keep in mind. Look for a supplier with a high rating and good reviews. This will ensure that you are working with a reliable supplier. Check the shipping times and costs to make sure they are reasonable. Contact the supplier to ask any questions you may have and to establish a good relationship. Once you have found a supplier, it's time to move on to the next step. Step number 3. Set up your online store. Once you have chosen your niche and found a supplier, it's the time to set up your online store. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to create your store. In the description under the video I left a special link that will allow you to create a Shopify store for free for 3 months. Take advantage of this offer. When you are setting up your online store, there are a few things to keep in mind. Choose a simple and clean design that's easy to navigate. Make sure your store is mobile friendly, as many people will be shopping on their phones. Write clear and concise product descriptions that highlights the benefits of your product. Add high quality product images that shows your product from different angles. Once your online store is set up, it's time to move on to the next step. Step number 4. Market your product. Now that your store is set up, it's the time to start marketing your product. You can use social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to reach your target audience. Here are a few tips for marketing your product. Use social media to connect with potential customers and build a following. Create high quality content that showcases your product and your brand. Offer discounts and promotions to incentivize people to buy from you. Reach out to influencers in your niche to collaborate and promote your product. Use TikTok, Instagram, YouTube to promote your store. Once you have started marketing your product, it's the time to move on to the next step. Step number 5. Fulfill orders. When you receive an order, you can purchase the product from your supplier and have it shipped directly to your customer. This means you don't have to hold any inventory or deal with shopping logistics. Here are a few tips for fulfilling orders. Make sure you communicate clearly with your supplier to avoid any misunderstanding. Double check the shipping address to make sure it's correct. Keep your customers updated on the status of their order to build trust and loyalty. Once you have fulfilled your first order, it's time to move on to the next step. Step number 6. Scaling your business. Finally, when you have created your business and started selling products, it's time to scale. You can do this by expanding your product line, partnering with influential people, and investing in paid advertising. Here are some tips for scaling your business. Add new products to your store to attract new customers and increase your revenue. Connect with influential people in your niche to collaborate on content and promotion. Invest in paid advertising to reach a wider audience and increase sales. But before you start investing in paid advertising, you can use some free marketing technique to launch your online business. Some of these free methods include creating high-quality blog content that provides value to your target audience, engaging with your audience on social media and building a following, guest posting on other blogs in your niche to reach a wider audience. By using these free methods, you can build a strong foundation for your business and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to start dropshipping without money. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks for your watching, good luck!